Myself, Dr. Selvamurthy, MD, General Physician from Tanjavur. This program is initiated by Microlab Limited on behalf of World Hepatitis Awareness Day, that is 28th July 2024. I like to talk on hepatitis, which is common in public. That is, hepatitis is inflammation of the liver due to various causes. I am dealing only with infections due to viruses, some of which cases can be fatal. WHO study found that an estimated 4.5 million premature deaths could be prevented in low and middle income countries by 2030 through vaccination, diagnostic tests, medicines, and educational programs. 90% mortality is caused by only two types of hepatitis, that is hepatitis B and hepatitis C. Symptoms of all types of viral hepatitis are similar and can include one or more of the following: mainly jaundice, fever, fatigue, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, joint pain, dark colored urine, clay colored stool, diarrhea, that is hepatitis HIV only. But as a late complication with infections with viral hepatitis B and C, cirrhosis and even liver cancer can occur. I want to tell what should be done and what should not be done in these cases. What should be done? Number one, take sufficient rest and eat a well-balanced diet as per doctor's advice. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Avoid tobacco and drugs. Wash hands with soap and after going to the toilet. Cover open wound, sores, cuts with a bandage. Discard used items carefully to prevent accidental exposure. Get vaccinated. Get tested for hepatitis during pregnancy. Practice safely hygiene to avoid sexual transmission. What should not be done? Don't use any personal items of infected person. Don't share razor, toothbrushes, syringes, and needles. Don't donate blood or breast feed your baby if you are infected. Don't drink alcohol. Avoid traveling infected condition and also avoid poor sanitation area. Don't take acetaminophen or any over-the-counter drugs without your doctor's knowledge. Don't eat, drink contaminated food and water. Finally, I want to emphasize on vaccination against these hepatitis viruses because prevention is better than cure. Thank you.